Good morning students, welcome to Alchemy online classes. Today we are going to discuss about adjective degree of comparison. We have already discussed adjectives, how many types of adjectives are there, how to identify adjective, which is the proper suitable adjective to be used in a particular sentence. All these things we have discussed. Let us have a quick recap of all the things. Here we go. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun, pronoun, addition information about noun or pronoun. We all have seen that adjective which is talking about noun or pronoun, which is giving additional information about it. Clear? Let us see the types of noun here. See, these are the 9 types of adjectives. These are the 9 types of adjectives, and these adjectives we have already discussed one by one in detail. For detailed explanation, please go and see the previous video adjectives, which I have divided into 2 parts and I have discussed in brief. Let's move forward. Read the following examples here. John is a clever boy. Sam is cleverer than John. Peter is the cleverest of the 3. Can you see something here? That there is a person, John, he is clever boy. There is no other person here. Clear? Sam is cleverer than John. There is one person, Sam, he is cleverer than the John. Then Peter is the cleverest of 3. Now Peter, he is cleverest of the 3. Clear? In the above sentence, the adjective changes in form to show comparison. They are called the 3 degrees of comparison. Here there is a comparison between the 3. This is called as a comparison of degrees. Clear? Now let us see in brief one by one that which words to be added at which word. Let us see in detail. See here, we use the positive degree of an adjective when no comparison is made. It denotes the existence of any quality which is spoken about. That means what? When there is no comparison, then we call it as a positive degree. Clear? Second one, we use comparative degree of an adjective when we are comparing two person or thing or a set of persons or things. It denotes a higher degree of quality. Second thing, comparative degree. That means when we are comparing two persons or two things or set of things or set of persons. Clear? So when we are comparing between two, that is called as a comparative degree. Clear? Let us move to the third. We use the superlative degree of an adjective when we compare more than two person or thing or set of person or things. It denotes a highest degree of quality. Here what it is saying, superlative degree, that means what? It is showing the comparison more than two people or things. Clear? Let us have a quick recap here. Positive degree, which is not showing any comparison here. Comparative degree, that means which is showing comparison between two, and superlative, which is showing the more than two. Clear? Let us move to the next. Formation of an comparison and superlative degree of an adjective. So here there are some rules which you have to follow. First one, most of the adjectives form their comparative degree by adding er and their superlative degree by adding est to the positive. Here you can see the positive. Here you can see the comparative and superlative. Comparative, that means comparing between two. Superlative, that means more than two. Rich, richer. What we have added here? Er. And for superlative we have added est. Clear? So this is clear here. Then sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Thick, thicker, thickest. So it is clear. Let us move to the next one here. If the positive ends in E, then R is added to comparative degree and ST is added to superlative degree. That means if in the positive sentence it is ending with E, in the comparative we are going to add, what we are going to add? We are going to add R at the end. And for superlative we are going to add ST. Okay, so you can see the examples here. Brave, braver, bravest. Is this clear to you? Let us move to the next one. If the positive ends in Y and then Y is preceded by a consonant, then the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST to form a comparative and superlative degree. That means what? If in the positive degree it is having Y and proceeding with a consonant. Clear? Now what is a vowel? A, E, I, O, U. That is vowel. Excluding vowel, whatever is left, B, C, D and all these are the consonants. So after here Y you can see, then before that if it is a consonant, then what we are going to add in the comparative? We are going to add ER. And for superlative we are going to add EST. Okay? Let us move to the next one. But if Y preceded by a vowel, then the comparative and superlative degree are formed by adding ER and EST. The Y denotes not change to I. That means what here? You can see the Y here in the positive, and if there is a vowel preceding Y, then you are going to add ER and EST. We are not going to change it into I. Okay? Let us move to the next one. If the positive is a word of a single syllable, ends in a single consonant and is preceded by a short vowel, this consonant doubles before adding ER and EST to form a comparative and superlative degree. That means what? Here you can see that D, R-E-D, red. What we are doing? We are doubling the last word. R-E-D, we are doubling the last word. That means double D-E-R, redder. And here, doubling the two word and we are going to add EST. Doubling the two word and we are going to add ER. We'll see the next one, H-O-T, hot. Double the last word, H-O-T-T-E-R, hotter, then H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest. Okay, let us move to the next one. Adjectives of two syllables or more than two syllables from their comparative and superlative by putting more and most respectively before the positive. Here you can see that these are the positive words, comparative and superlative. What we have added here? More. For comparative we are going to use more. Clear? More beautiful. Then for superlative, most beautiful. Clear? So you can see the difference here. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Clear? So we are adding here more and most. Some adjectives are compared irregular. They do not follow any of the rules mentioned. Their comparatives are not formed from their positive. That means what? Here you can see positive letter, comparative and superlative. Good, better, best. The three are different. There is no doubling of a consonant, not adding of ER or EST. Clear? So they are different than the positive one. See here, late, later, latest. Much, more, most. Old, older, oldest. Is this clear to you? Let us move to the next. So this is your homework for the day. Whatever we have discussed in this, in that, you have to solve this examples. Prem is dash than Preetham. Responsible. You have to use this word and you have to see that yes, there is a comparison between two. So what is the word which you are going to write here? Responsible or else something else. This shop is famous for the items in the bracket cheap. It is dash than yesterday, hot. Raj is the dash of all the people, kind. Ashoka was the dash than Akbar, wise. So this is your homework for the day. For extra content, please refer Extra Mark app and Diksha app where you can get the whole topic. Thank you for the